Hello, curtain enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing our top 5 tips for cleaning and maintaining eyelet curtains so you can keep your windows looking fresh and fabulous all year round. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Regular dusting. To keep your eyelet curtains dust-free, use a handheld vacuum with a brush attachment or a soft-bristled brush to gently remove any dust buildup. Be sure to dust both the front and back of the curtains for thorough cleaning. Tip 2. Spot cleaning stains. For spot cleaning, start by blotting the stain with a clean, damp cloth to lift away as much of the stain as possible. Avoid rubbing the stain, as this can spread it further. If necessary, use a mild detergent or stain remover specifically formulated for fabric curtains and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Tip 3. Machine washing. If your curtains are machine washable, remove them from the curtain rod and place them in the washing machine on a gentle cycle with a mild detergent. Be sure to check the care label on your curtains for specific washing instructions and avoid using bleach or harsh chemicals that could damage the fabric. Once washed, hang the curtains to air dry or tumble dry on a low heat setting. Tip 4. Ironing for a crisp finish. Start by setting your iron to the appropriate heat setting for the fabric of your curtains, and always iron them on the reverse side to avoid damaging the eyelets. Use smooth, even strokes to press out any wrinkles, working from the top of the curtain to the bottom. Once ironed, hang the curtains back up to maintain their shape. Tip 5. Preventative maintenance. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can cause fading and deterioration of the fabric. Additionally, be mindful of pets and children who may accidentally damage the curtains with rough play or sharp objects. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for cleaning and maintaining eyelet curtains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home care tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy curtain cleaning!